You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alleviate common dry air problems all year long with the quiet ultrasonic digital warm and cool mist humidifier from Lasko. This easy-to-use humidifier comes with electronic controls for setting time modes up to 12 hours, can run up to 100 hours on the low setting, and provides a warm mist for winter months and a cool mist for year-round use. Additional features include removable, easy-to-fill tank, 3 mist flow options, humidifies rooms up to 600 square feet, and has a directional mist nozzle and humidistat so you can customize humidity where you need it most. And it comes with adjustable LED lighting, ideal for nighttime use. Research has shown that ideal humidity levels between 30 to 50% can soothe dry air problems associated with the skin, nose, and throat, reduce static electricity, and improve sleep. Create the ideal humidity level in your home with the quiet ultrasonic digital warm and cool mist humidifier from Lasko.
Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between 2 types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.
Introducing the Honeywell Top Fill Warm Mist Humidifier. The top fill design makes filling easy, and the large water tank will run up to 24 hours between fillings. Water enters a boiling chamber where it is heated to a steam vapor, producing warm mist to help create a comfortable breathing environment. Simple controls allow for customized humidity output. The high power setting will bring the water to a boil faster and raise the humidity level more quickly. The low power setting will run longer between fillings and raise the humidity more slowly. It may take up to 1 minute for the water to boil and steam to appear. The unit will automatically turn off when the humidifier runs out of water, and a reset light will turn on to indicate that the tank needs to be refilled. To reset, turn the humidifier off and refill the reservoir. Wait 5 minutes for the heating element to cool, then turn back on. An essential oil cup can be used with your favorite oils for added enjoyment. The oil is passively evaporated into the air. Never add oils directly to the water. For soothing relief from dry air discomforts, try the Honeywell